Congratulations, as your Linux system is now ready, and let's begin to install the most important the topic of this entire course is the installing the OpenClaw itself. To install OpenClaw using npm package is very straightforward. Okay, so follow this command, and G means your global, G means your global installation, and then OpenClaw itself. So once your OpenClaw is installed, you need to verify whether the OpenClaw is installed or not. How you do verify? Just the OpenClaw, the version itself, the command itself is OpenClaw, right? And check the version. See, congratulations. If you are with me so far and you are able to see the OpenClaw version is shown on your terminal, then congratulations, your OpenClaw is installed successfully.